Hi everybody, this is Andy from Skills for New Media, bringing the latest reviews, tutorials and creative experience online. And today I'm going to be teaching you some new Excel skills. So make sure you like the video, share the content and subscribe to our channel. Let's give this a go. Why hi there guys, and welcome back to Skills for You Media, and looking at our second video on designing a very cool navigation front sheet within Excel, which allow you to either navigate around your spreadsheets or also you can link it to training guides, etc. So the whole aim is to make an Excel spreadsheet look like a navigation of a website. So on video 1 we created our grids, we created our first image and showed you how to actually group images, text boxes and shapes together. So let's move on, shall we? So let's move on to these other boxes over here. So let's take this first box here. I'm going to select the box, right click, format cells, and then from there I'm going to put outline, fill equals white. Okay, so that's our box up there, and I'm going to just copy that format into the other boxes. So what I did there is I selected the cells, format painter, go to the second box, just paste across, and then do that with the other boxes. So I've selected a block of 2 there, all the way down to there, like so. Format, copy painter, and just complete that on the other boxes down there. So already we've got our grid system. Now what I want to do is get rid of all of these the usual Excel grids at the back here. So to do that, I go to View, and as you can see, the guidelines is ticked. So I've taken that off. We no longer need the ones at the top here, so you could actually delete them if you wanted to. Okay, so for the other boxes here, what I'm going to do is each of these boxes will have one of these text boxes. So to save time, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to copy that text box. So I've selected text box. I've pressed Control and Copy, which is the short key for copy. I go to the cell up the top here and click Control Paste. So from there I'm just going to hold down my left button and just drag that in. Obviously these boxes will all be labelled something differently, and I'm just going to make sure that they all line up. So I do that again and repeat the process into the other boxes, like so. Okay, so let's just do this together, shall we? Everybody's doing an excellent job, by the way. Okay, I'm just going to leave that on the page because obviously that can be used again, or we can use that again when you do. So my suggestion would be, not quite sure what happened there. Oh, there we go, we're back. Okay, so copy and paste. So we pretty much want all of these exactly the same. So I could do, if I want to line that up, I select that box, hold down the Control button, select the other box, go to Page Layout, go to Align, and then we could do is select Middle, copy, just paste that down like so. Copy again, just easy, quick way to doing this. So obviously we only have about 10 minutes to each of these videos. So, you know, you can always speed through, rewind, etc. Okay, so those are the boxes done. Obviously we're going to, you know, retype these or put the our subjects within those. Okay, so from here we're going to put images within here. So I'm going to go to my pictures page. Now let's have a look what we're going to do. So maybe we could have, there could be a spreadsheet called Hot Topics. So maybe if you've got a dashboard, you want to raise hot topics on a weekly basis. So I've selected the Hot Topics graphic there. I've copied, and what I'm going to do from here, just smarten this up a little bit, dragged into that position, and again I could add a border around that because it's a white image. Format picture, line color, solid line. I'm going to select that second one down, line style, perfect. Okay, so already it's looking pretty smart. As you can see, I'm just tweaking a little bit there. Okay, so just put in here hot topics for this week. So that looks nice. Okay, so from here, like we did with the image here, we could do a link to another part of, you can have your hot topics along here. So let's just go and create one called Hot Topics. Again, you do some formatting here, which we'll probably do at a later time. Click on the image, and then we could do a hyperlink. So how did I do that? I went to the image, I right-clicked, hyperlink, and I'm going to select place in document. So as you can see here, it's got all the different tabs. I select Hot Topic and click OK. So when we click that now, it goes straight to there. And what you could do is from that page have back to home, like you would do if you're navigating around a website. So I just click a button, put in here, just format, just make that button a little bit prettier. I could call that home. Just going to make sure that text lines in the middle, like so. And you could use this button over and over again. So I'm going to right click on it, hyperlink, back to home. So you could copy that, see backwards and forwards, and you're navigating around your spreadsheet. Okay. So let's select another image. So this could be customers. So quite literally within your spreadsheet, you might have a sheet called customers that you're using Excel VBA user forms to add customers, and you could have customers within your spreadsheet. So just going to line that up just like that, just dragging it, tweaking it. Okay, customer lists. To view. Click on image to view. Obviously my spelling isn't particularly great there. It's not L-click. Click to view. I could just copy that, do exactly the same thing on there, on these boxes as well. So again, what you do from here, right click on the image, hyperlink, let's set up a customers. So this could be a customer spreadsheet. So from here, I'm just going to take that button, a little bit too big text to be fair. I'll just click home, so it goes back to home. Then from there, hyperlink, select tab, customer. So you could do the same thing with the text box. So I right click on it, hyperlink, customer. So now that will go to the customer sheet and I can go back home. Hot topics sheet, and then I can go back home. So already we're creating an easy way of navigating around your spreadsheet, and it all looks nice and pretty. So I think that's the end of video number 2. Thank you very much for watching, everybody. So I think in that lesson we've learned how to hyperlink to different tabs, a little bit about formatting as well. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video. See you later.